bad behaving Jamaicans.
Would you go to the Border Protection Unit in Miami Airport and do that? But you come here to Trinidad and Tobago, do that and expect to be allowed entry? No, we send your ship in.
The ex-Trinidadian minister who says Trinidad is right to reject some Jamaicans. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. This evening, the PNP's proposal for CARICOM states mistreating Jamaicans.
Business and consumer confidence at historic highs.
Policemen injured in shootout.
And in the business day, a proposal to develop agro-parks into economic zones.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Should Jamaicans use the Caribbean Court of Justice as a form of recourse for ill treatment in CARICOM countries?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.